everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, welcome, thanks for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before the end of this video. If you're already on this channel and you kind of missed me, because I've been kind of more on the Instagram side, thanks for staying true. Today I did this Bantu knots on my short haircut style for my shave size, and I wanted to come on and just show you how I achieved that with adding hair extensions to that. I will list all the products that I used below in the description. In the past I've done Bantu knots, and I've just used my own natural hair, just keep it small. And today I just wanted to add some hair extensions, the pre-stretch hair from EZBRAID. If you want to see how I got this Bantu knots that's so fly, just keep watching.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami.
That's it. This is the final look. I have my makeup look on. Let me know what you think. If you're not yet subscribed, again, please hit the subscribe button and leave comments, like, share, follow me on Instagram if you're not yet on my Instagram page, because I do more on there almost every week, twice, 3 times a week. So let me know what you think. Let me know what other hair videos or makeup tutorial you'd like to see. And until next time, stay blessed.
Zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami